This is the showroom lift to IKEA, at IKEA. Yes, this is lift number 3. Yes, again, epic motor. Yes. Yeah, you hear it? The down. Oh dear, this is a nice lift. The button was replaced.
Wait.
The button's been replaced. Yeah. Going up again. Can you call it from the top floor? Can you call it? I'm not sure if you can call this from the top floor. It's the other, yeah. It's very slow. No. Easy. Oh dear. Can you... Okay, so let's let them go first. Yes, you can call it from up here this time. Yes, you can call it from up here this time. This time. Yes, you can call. Whoa, you can call. Wow. You can call it from this lift. You can call from up here this time. This time. You can call from up. Yes, this is usually a one-way ride, but you can call it from up here this time. You can. It's because. Yeah. You can call it up. And down again. You can call it from up here this time. Yes. From this time. Oh, fancy that. You can call this lift from the top floor this time. Maybe go up. Maybe go. Yes. Maybe go up. One more. Oh. Can't believe how you can call this lift from up the top floor as well. Oh here. There's the overload indicator. One volt. Just send this down. The call button has been replaced. That's it.